This pelvic section requires a 2-layer pour for structural integrity and realistic feel. Battery installation.
Station +2, crowning. The head is delivered, shoulders rotating, delivery successful, fetal descent test complete.
Perineal tear simulation. Modular inserts. Degrees 1 to 4 available.
Apply fundal pressure immediately.
The head is crowning, it's rotating.
We need sutures for the repair workshop over here. Okay, knees to chest, push hard now. Keep going, almost there. You did it, great job.
Wall thickness check, anterior 8 millimeters, posterior 10 millimeters, lateral 9 millimeters, position locked.
This pelvic section requires a 2-layer pour for structural integrity and realistic feel.
Dilation 100.2 millims, target 100 millims, error plus 0.2 millims PS. Hydraulic system, pressure OK, no leaks. Flow rate 120 millimin. PASS.
Aligning the birth canal now.
Got it. Secure the waistline.
While the torso assembly progresses, limbs, arms, and legs are fabricated in parallel. Silicone.
3 hours later, cured limb sections are demolded. A black male technician opens a leg mold, revealing a solid silicone.
The technician aligns the left leg with the hip mounting point. Battery installation.
A thin amniotic membrane is fabricated from extremely thin silicone film, 0.3 millimeters thick.
Station +2, crowning. The head is delivered, shoulders rotating, delivery successful, fetal descent test complete.
We hyperflex the legs for the McRoberts maneuver and then apply suprapubic pressure right here until it releases.
Perineal tear simulation. Modular inserts. Degrees 1 to 4 available.
The chest rises realistically with correct ventilation. Now we proceed with the umbilical catheterization. Feel the resistance as the catheter feeds into the vessel.
Support the head gently now. Okay, clamp the cord here and here.
Got it.
Excellent. Integration test complete. All systems pass.
Starting accurate. This untarget. Unsafe. UVCX 30 minutes.
The uterine module response is within the specified parameters for scenario 3.
How's the sensor calibration?
Also verified.
Dimensional verification.
Pass. 24 out of 24 measurements within spec.
Anatomical landmarks.
Correct.
SM7892.
Sensor testing. COOMPLEEE. Pressure sensors accurate. Position sensors accurate. Less than 1% variation.
Interface is clear. Scenario selection is easy. Real-time monitoring is helpful.
We have cord prolapse. Prepare for immediate extraction.
Environmental testing, COMPLET. Storage temp, -10 to +50 degree amp.
Disinfection testing and testing. 50 cleaning cycles. 50 cleaning cycles. Disinfectants, 4 types tested. Skin integrity.
Maintain gentle traction there, doctor.
Got it. The shoulders are rotating.
Great, hold it right there for the camera.
Final leaked. All systems pass. Errors 0.
Here's the manifest for the Shanghai shipment. 8 units total.
Got it. Everything looks secure.
All crates accounted for. SM7892 located.
Seals are good. No damage. Confirmed delivery for Shanghai Medical College.
Accessory case and documentation present.
Confirmed. No damage to the SM7892. Unpacking is complete.
Careful with the hydraulics.
Left side locked. Right side secure. Drainage connected.
How do we refill amniotic fluid?
What if a sensor fails? Can we create custom scenarios? Ensure the birth canal is flushed daily?
And we check the fluid levels weekly.
That's correct. Then log the sensor verification here on the tablet.
Okay, SimMom, you're doing great. Big push now, all the way down.
Excellent work, everyone. The head is crowning. Support the perineum.
The overall score of 87% is excellent. Your communication was strong.
However, we do recommend earlier
Good approximation, appropriate tension, no gaps. Well done.
Excellent ventilation technique. You got the chest rise within the golden minute. Well done.
Apply fundal pressure immediately.
The head is crowning, it's rotating.
We need sutures for the repair workshop over here.
Overall satisfaction is high. Best birthing simulator we've used.
But additional complication scenarios would be helpful.
Okay, knees to chest, push hard now. Keep going, almost there. You did it, great job.
I'm applying suprapubic pressure.
Understood. Suprapubic pressure being applied. Fitting. Look at the shoulder dystocia data. A 40% improvement by the 3rd session.
Exactly. We need to integrate.
This simulator would transform our training program.
Very realistic. Students could learn without risk to real patients.
Deep breath and push right here. You're doing so well, almost there.
That was excellent. Handled that complication perfectly.
Comprehensive, well-paced, confident to train students now.
SimMom has transformed our obstetrics education. Students graduate confident and competent. We've seen measurable improvements in clinical outcomes.
A frequência cardíaca do bebê está estável.
Now, let's focus on the delivery technique.
The patient is seizing. We need magnesium sulfate immediately. Monitor the fetal heart rate closely. We have a cord prolapse.